I just got to the Monkey Creek crossing on the Florida Trail in the Bradwell Bay Wilderness. It's the start of a like 4-mile swamp tromp, and it's supposed to be the deepest water on the entire Florida Trail. So let's let's go check it out. All right, it's a little bit deeper off to my right. Where I am right now, it's maybe halfway up my thighs, and the water is the color of tea. I can barely see the bottom. There's a blaze right in the middle of the water. Still past my knees. You can see the current a little bit. All right, I think I see the other side. Starting to get shallower. Whew. Water is surprisingly cold, considering I'm in Florida. Alright, it's only about my ankles now. I can see dry land. Alright, that was pretty cool. I like that.